again in my YouTube channel, Short Woman Crazy Haircut. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewers? I hope you are all well and fine. In this video, I will talk about the maintenance of short bob pixie haircut and short bob pixie haircut. Now, first of all, let's talk about what is the short bob pixie haircut. Short bob pixie haircut is our style and the canvas for experimenting with colors and highlights. Short bob pixie haircut is not just a haircut; it is an attitude and a vibe with the V shape. This haircut is also the incredible empowering, free from the traditional beauty standards and embrace or more aggy vibes. Short bob pixie haircut is a perfect for those who want to express themselves and stand out the crowd without sacrificing style or sophistication. In terms of styling, the short bob pixie haircut offers endless possibilities. You can add some texture and the grid with styling paste, or promote with go to the sleek and polished look with a bit of serum and oil. The choppy layer also, it is easy to add the volume and texture with a bite of teasing and the rough drying. Short bob pixie haircut is also the great choice for those with a busy lifestyling. It is also too low maintenance and styling on to go. Whether you are heading to the work, running errands, and meeting up with friends, this haircut is sure to turn heads and make you feel confident and styling. Short bob pixie haircut is the masterclass in the subtlety. It understands the charm and sophistications, making it a perfect choice for those who the flashy attention-seeking style and the despite its low-key demeanor. The haircut, it is so awesome and beautiful. One of the main benefits of the short bob pixie is the ability to frame the face, drawing attention to the eyes, cheekbones, and jawline in a way that both flattering and becoming. Whether you had a round, oval, heart-shaped face, this haircut is sure to complement your features, accentuating your the natural beauty and leaving you feeling the confident and radiant. In terms of styling, the short bob pixie haircut is the versatile and it is also very awesome, able to adapt the effortlessly to suit your mood, personality, and style lifestyle of your look. Whether you are in the mood for something sleek and polished, or the texture and the polished, this haircut is short, it's choppy layer and angular, providing that perfect canvas for experimentation and creation. Short bob pixie haircut is the testament to the power of the simplicity, its clean lines, and the minimalistic aesthetic, making it the perfect choice for those who prefer a more streamlined, low maintenance look and yet deposit it the simplicity. This haircut is never dull or uninspired. Now let's talk about the maintenance of the short bob pixie haircut in this video. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. And let's comment for new types of videos you like. Now the maintenance of the short bob pixie haircut is a regular trimming. It's important, and the styling product use it, keep it dry, and the texture and volume, avoid heavy products, protect your hairs, and style with ease. First of all, the regular trimming to keep your short bob pixie looking its best. Regular trimming and essential. Try to get a trim every 4 to 6 weeks to maintain the shape and prevent the split end. And first, the second one is the styling product, using a styling paste or the pomade to add texture and definitions to your hair. A small amount can go a long way in adding a volume and the grit to your look. Keep it dry, avoiding using too much heat. Styling tools first, like rollers and the straightener, as they can damage your hairs and make it look limp. Instead, let your hair air dry or use the microfiber towel to gently blot over excess moisture. Using a texturizing spray or dry shampoos to add a volume and texture to your hairs. This can help enhance the choppy layers and add a bit of grit to your look. Avoiding the heavy product, just like a steer clear of a heavy hair products like gel or mousses. You can weigh your hairs down and make it look the greasy. Instead, opt of the lightweight product that add a texture and definition without weighting your hair down. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and